Hi children, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw a bird, seagull. Draw a C shape and at the bottom draw slantingly like this, coming down, and now at that tip go to the right side and join them together and draw a oval shape and have a cut inside and color the black, and at the top draw a slanting line. Now we have drawn eyes and nose, and now coming to the bottom part, draw like this triangle shape. At the top, come from the tip and draw a head shape and join that to the bottom part, and now at the side of nose part draw oval shape and color it as black inside. This we have drawn two eyes of a bird. Coming to the body part, come slantingly downside, and from the nose part at the tip come like this slantingly and go at the slightly right side and come down, and now at the right side part draw a straight line and draw like this back side part of a bird. Draw like this zigzag, draw a line, and I have cut there like that. Draw an arc inside a body part. At the left side part come down slightly, and then now at center of a body part draw a right side arc and draw zigzag lines and join them together with the body part, and now again similarly draw like this on the right side part, and now on the left side draw an arch and join them together. Thus we have drawn already a slanting line there. Draw all the three lines similarly, and the third line join them at the body part arch we have drawn already, and now at the back side part draw like this right side arch, and again I have a cut and draw another arch. On the feathers draw a small straight line. Coming to the neck part, come at the tip and draw a small another layer of semicircle, and now coming to the bottom part, leg part, draw slanting two layers of line there, and at the bottom draw like this, and this is a leg, and now from there draw a straight line and fingers of a bird. we have finished drawn now one leg. Another one, similarly draw 2 small lines and a straight line, join them together, and again a zigzag lines, and that's the finger of a bird. And join them together using a straight line, 2 layers of line, and thus we have finished drawing a seagull. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.